Morning everyone. I am Jeena Pradeep, Treasurer for NQCN. I am a clinical nurse specialized in child health nursing. I am a highly motivated, energetic and a compassionate person who wants to dedicate my whole life to nursing. And I love helping people always. My 27 years of clinical nursing experience taught me the importance of adherence to standard operating procedure guidelines and developed a sense of providing quality of care without having any variation in the standard operating procedures. So, additional to that, I'm a national external assessor for NCAS Lakshya Kayakal program of Government of India. I'm a recipient of National Florence Nightingale Award 2016 for helping an onboard passenger in Indigo flight who was fighting with respiratory distress that time. I'm a QI National Faculty Resource Person, and I have mentored many district hospitals, many teams in different states of India, including UP, MP, and UPMP, yes, UPMP Rajasthan, yes. And I'm a national faculty for FBNC program and NRP provider. I think that's it.
Yeah, thank you so much, Jeena, for keeping to your time. So we have Jeena, a very accomplished nurse and a very eminent face in NQCN. Thank you so much. Welcome. So next we have Dr. Anupa Veg. Dr. Anupa Veg is member of the governing board of NQCN. Dr. Anupa Veg.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you, sir. I'm Dr. Anupa Vig, and I am a gynecologist by profession. Besides being a gynecologist, I'm also a laparoscopic surgeon and an infertility specialist. But I think above all, I am a QI enthusiast. I work for an organization called Piramal Swasthya, and I support the telemedicine services as a specialist consultant in whole of Himachal Pradesh via 75 telemedicine nodes for the past 1.5 years. That is what keeps me closer to the frontline workers, delivering what I say the last mile of health. I have been associated with NQOCN for over a year, and as Sir said, I am now also a member of the governing board of NQOCN to take it further to its mission and vision. And what interests me about QI especially is that the teamwork, which I really appreciate and I look forward to. The teamwork plus using the same resources, same people, the same environment, just adding a little tinge of QI methodology and getting some amazing results. That is what drives me towards QI. I'm also a part of the National Mentoring Group and I'm handholding facilities and in UP and MP. So that is about me. And the
Thank you so much, Dr. Anupa, and welcome to this course. Next, we have Dr. Prabha. Dr. Prabha is a governing board member to NQCN. Prabha, please go ahead.
Good morning, everyone. I am Dr. Prabha Ranjan. I work as consultant gynecologist at Bhagwan Mahavir Hospital, New Delhi. Apart from my clinical works around maternal and child health and managing high-risk pregnancies to prevent maternal morbidity and mortality, I am also actively participating in different on-site and online activities of NQCN for quality improvement in healthcare since 2018. I am an active member of NQCN Community of Practices, and an elected member of Governing Board of NQCN. I am a national mentor for implementation of Government of India's Lakshya program in medical colleges and district hospitals of India, and a national coach for quality improvement. I have some successful QI projects to my credit, which we are sustaining well, which got appraised very much, and one of such QI projects got published in BMG Open Quality Proof as a part of hub and spoke model of quality improvement. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Next, can we have Suzy, ma'am?
Yes, sir. I'm Mrs. Suzy Sarah John. I have 35 years of work experience, out of which 33 years were in the teaching, in teaching, and I'm also presently working at College of Nursing, Lady Hardinge Medical College, as a senior faculty, Plus, I've been teaching pediatrics for the last 33 years. I'm also an NMG of NQOCN and have helped teams of Katni and Ahmedabad successfully complete projects on QI, which have been sustained till date. I'm also the secretary of IANN, and I'm also a national faculty for FDNC and NRP. That's it about me.
So can we have Dr. Mamta Jadoo? Thank you so much, Suzy ma'am. Dr. Mamta Jadoo. If Dr. Mamta Jadoo is not there, we can have Dr. Praveen Venkatgiri. Rashi, we will come to you. Praveen Venkatgiri. Okay. Dr. Praveen was there, so we can next move to Dr. Surinder Bisht.
Oh, sorry. Can I?
Yeah, Praveen, please go ahead. Yeah, your video should be on.
Hi, everyone. Sorry, my video is on, right?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. Off again.
Okay. Yeah, is it okay?
Yeah, that's fine. Please go ahead.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Praveen Venkatagiri. I'm from Bangalore, working as a pediatrician and neonatologist over 20 years in India and United Kingdom. I've been associated with NQOCN in the beginning for vision, developing the mission, and we've been continuously over the last few years working around the country. My aim would be to year on year look at how many newborns we can influence to improve the continuous quality of the care. That with the SMART goals and the tools that, the team that will be the clinical teams on the ground, the administration, the policymakers, and the business leaders. And what are the tools that we would use? My focus would be on systems and teams. And I would use the quality improvement methodology tools to assess the gaps in the, use the technology to implement the changes that is required so that they sustain. And I'm passionate in simulation, so I use the simulation to identify the human factors and improve it through reflective practice. And what are the measures? Like, every year we can look at who have better care received, and the denominator would be the total number of newborns under our influence. And how do you sustain? The sustaining of the systems and use of the technology, and to ensure that the patient safety is improved. And that's how I want to be associated and contribute to NQOCN. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Praveen, for those wonderful words. Next, we have Surinder, Dr. Surinder Bisht.
Good morning, everybody. Thanks, Vikram. Let me introduce, since it is a formal introduction, I am senior specialist and in charge NICU in Swami Dayanand Hospital in Delhi. Been trained in GTB Hospital and AIMS for neonatology. And thereafter, I'm working, I worked as a national trainer for facility-based newborn care. Dr. Vikram ने मुझे involved किया था 2013 से sir. I am a national trainer and zonal coordinator of North India for NRP, Neonatal Resuscitation Program, FGM, for last 4-5 years. And I'm working, I've worked as a national faculty for online neonatal training program by WHO Collaborating Center and AIMS and PGI together. I have been a national mentor for Lakshya with NQOCN. I'm associated with NQOCN since its inception. In fact, I'm fortunate that the first meeting of the logo and the design of NQOCN was conceptualized and finalized in my hospital meeting only. And I'm a WHO CRO master trainer for quality improvement. And apart from this, I'm active in Indian Academy of Pediatrics, as I was a vice president of and secretary of IIP's Delhi branch. And I've been a treasurer for IIP Disaster Management Group apart from this, I'm very active in breastfeeding and promotion network, being a course director and national trainer for IYCF programs over there. So these are my interests. And obviously, QI is what is binding us together today.
So thank you so much, Surinder. Surinder is a very accomplished friend, and thank you so much. We are privileged to have you here. Next, I have the pleasure of calling Dr. Harish Pemde. Needs no introduction, but just hear him tell a little bit about himself. He's a man wearing many hats. Harish, please.
Thank you. Hi, I am Dr. Harish Pemde. I'm a director professor in pediatrics in Lady Hardy Medical College, New Delhi. I'm also heading here a WHO Collaborating Center on Adolescent Health. My journey in QI began about 6-7 years ago with Vikram and all others, when the team led by Nigel, Ankur, Mehtab, and Sonali came to our hospital, Karavtisran Children's Hospital. They taught us formally, informally, through training programs and various discussions. And since then, we are contributing towards the learning and training of QI through various formal and informal training programs, and also as mentor in various hospitals, various kinds of hospitals across India. And my dream is that NQCN becomes very instrumental in providing care and improving quality of care in healthcare across the country, both in public as well as in private sector. And recently I've been given the responsibility as editor of Journal of Healthcare Quality. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Harish. We next have Dr. Mamta Jaju. Dr. Mamta Jaju has joined. Mamta, if you could put on your video and introduce yourself to the group, 60-second pitch, please. So we can have Dr. Mamta Jaju, please. So till the time Dr. Mamta Jaju is readying herself, we can request Ankur to please come over. Ankur.
Thanks. So, good morning, friends. I am Ankur. I'm a full-time quality improvement professional. That's precisely what I've done for the last 10 years. I sleep, dream, think of quality all day, all night. And over the years, I've helped individual teams in hospitals, organizations, and I've also advised Ministry of Health in various South Asian countries, primarily on how to do quality improvement, how to get quality improvement done within the system. And my passion is to simplify quality improvement so much that the last mile healthcare volunteer understands quality improvement and practices quality improvement. And that's what I've been doing for all these years. And I think the part to change, the part to transform healthcare lies with that frontline healthcare provider. All we need to do is empower them. My journey with NQCN has been since the day we thought of it as an idea, and it's really wonderful to see how far we have come. And I can only imagine we will keep scaling newer heights, and NQCN will continue to, be the catalyst of spreading this knowledge on quality improvement all across the region. So my best wishes for the day today. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ankur. It's been a pleasure hosting you here. Can we have Dr. Chaya Valvi? Dr. Chaya Valvi from Pune.
Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Chaya Valvi. I am happy to be part of this esteemed family of Nationwide Quality of Care Network India. I'm also a national mentor for NIGRIMS Shillong, which is in Meghalaya. And I work as an associate professor in the Department of Pediatrics at BG Government Medical College. I'm a Fogarty Fellow also. But the best part in my career till now is to get associated with NQCN and learn quality improvement. It's like giving best optimum care to your patients without inhibitions. So that is what quality improvement means to us, and to be part of this wonderful and loving family of NQCN India. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Valvi, for those words. We really acknowledge your presence here today and our association, your association with NQCN. Dr. Rajshri. Dr. Rajshri, please.
Hi, everybody. Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible. Please go ahead.
I'm Dr. Rajshri Sridevi. I'm from Kochi. I'm working in Aster MedCity as a consultant unitologist. And my journey with QI started, I think, in 2015 or 16 in Bangalore at Praveen's place when we had a program there. And it was, I would say, it was a wonderful experience for me. because when we heard Dr. Vikram Datta presenting the experience with hypothermia in neonates, the study, the QI project on hypothermia, that was a wonderful experience, and Sonali Vaid was there, and it was all inspiring for me. The main thing was, doing less and achieving more. I think that is what inspired me most. Another thing was like, it is changing the system rather than, making small changes and achieving such a big thing. That was the main, concept of QI, which, somehow related to me. And I love being in QI now. And we have done some projects in our place also. Being a private corporate hospital, we did skin-to-skin study in skin-to-skin project in the newborn, and as well as pulse oximetry for all newborns. Like that, we have done some QI projects there also. It was a wonderful experience. And I'm presently a national mentor for NQCN, and we are mentoring Thrissur Medical College. It's altogether, I love being in QI. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Rajshri. It's been wonderful hearing you. Next, I have your friend Rani, Dr. Rani Bashir. Yeah, Rani, please come in.
Good morning, everyone. Rani Bashir. I'm working as Senior Consultant Neonatology at Renai Medicity, Cochin, and also being the Program Director for the DNB Pediatrics as well as Neonatology Fellowship Program and the NABH Internal Auditor for my institute. So my training and my experience basically are from Kuwait and Canada. I'm in India only for the last 4 years. I've done my graduation from Trivandrum Medical College, MD from JIPMER, and thereafter my fellowship from University of British Columbia and University of Calgary, and epidemiology training from McMaster. My interest basically goes to the brain, heart, and outcomes of newborns. And you know that of that, quality improvement is the bottom line and underlying thing for all outcomes, whatever we look for. And that is how I got attracted to QI. The initial seeds of QI were planted in me by EPIC, which is evidence-based practice in quality improvement in Canada since 2013, where I was associated. And I was so lucky to have it continuing by association with NQOCN. And I would say my mentors in India were Dr. Vikram, are still Dr. Vikram and Dr. Srivastava, where we attended the QI workshop in Aster couple of years back. And from there, my journey started with NQOCN. And I'm happy to be part of the national mentoring group, where I got a chance to go back to my alma mater, that's Trivandrum Medical College, after like around 25 years. So that was like a great thing for me. The thing which I like about QI is, as everyone mentioned, small change, lot of positive outcomes with the available resources. So thank you so much, NQOCN, for giving me this opportunity and to be available here and to know each and every one of you here. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Rani Bashir. It's been a privilege working with you. Thank you so much. We have Dr. Reema Nagpal. Please come in, ma'am.
Good morning to you, sir, and to all. It's a privilege to be amongst such esteemed faculty. I'm Associate Professor of Pediatrics and working in neonatology at the BJ Medical College, Government Medical College, and Sassoon General Hospital in Pune. I did a short stint in the Army. I'm an undergraduate and postgraduate from the Armed Forces Medical College. And then I went overseas to Australia for a period of time. My journey with NQOCN started in 2018. But I must say that this is a small anecdote. I am a gardening enthusiast, and every time I touched my plants, they would die. And I would wonder why, till one day I caught myself in hand and I said, look, if I can look after newborns, why can't I look after little plants? And I think that quality change came into the mind. And then my association came on with NQOCN, and I feel so really privileged to be part of this group who we all think similarly. And I just feel that quality starts in the mind. And it is a non-negotiable option. The mediocrity is not an option at all. And I feel privileged to be amongst you all and really happy. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Reema ma'am. Now we have Dr. Bangal, Dr. VB Bangal. Sir, please come in.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Dr. Vidyadhar Bangal. I'm obstetrician working as faculty at Pravara Institute of Medical Sciences in Ahmednagar. I'm proud alumni of Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Medical Sciences, Sevagram. I worked in many community level international projects as maternal health consultant. I have 140 publications and more than 800 citations. I am peer reviewer for BMJ. I am managing editor for Journal of NQOCN. I'm a FEMER fellow. I'm visiting Harvard University as a academic fellowship through sponsorship was a dream come true last year. I'm a member of governing board of NQOCN. To fulfill my passion for public health, I did Masters in Public Health. I'm associated with NQOCN since last 1.5 years. I'm a mentor for 2 sites in India, one in MP and another in Kerala. So thank you very much. I'm happy to be with NQOCN.
Thank you so much, sir, for those words. I request Dr. Suchi Jain to please join in. Dr.
Good
Suchi
morning,
Jain.
everybody. Yeah, I'm a professor in obstetrics and gynae. I represent Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Medical Sciences, Sevagram. We are proud to say that we are one of the centers which is very close to the ashram, the place where Mahatma Gandhi did all his activities during the freedom struggle. We still wear khadi and follow non-alcoholism. We were a part of this emergency obstetric care services since last 10 years. And we have been associated with the Government of India in forming guidelines for maternal death review, maternal near miss, HDU ICU guidelines, MNH toolkit, and at presently we are working on cesarean section rate review. We are actively involved in quality maternal and child health care. Our association in NQOCN started 2 years back when Dr. Vikram Datta, Dr. Sushil Srivastav, and Dr. Mehta visited us and started the hub and spoke model. And under this project, we did a lot of successful QI projects. And this has been put up as a publication in BMJ. And we also have carried out a lot of projects which have earned international acclaim and which were recognized in the Pediatric Academic Society International Conference. We are the whole exercise which is done. I am also thankful to Dr. Garg, Dr. Poonam, and Dr. Manish, who is also a student of Dr. Vikram Datta. And we are closely associated with sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Dr. Suchi, for those kind words. And by the way, Sevagram, I started my medical career as a faculty in 1998 in Sevagram. And it is one of the best places where we can learn community pediatrics, community gynecology, and community health services. It's also a WHO collaborating center for rural newborn and maternal health. So I think anybody wants to learn community public health based, any intervention should go to Sevagram and contact Dr. Suchi. So thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you for your kind words.
Yeah. So we have Dr. Mamta Jadoo. Dr. Mamta Jadoo, please come in if you are around.
Sir, good morning. Good morning, everyone. I am really like a pleasure to be here. I'm basically a professor pediatrics at Chacha Nehru Bal Chikitsalaya and looking after an ICU there. And it's really pleasure to work for the quality improvement NQOCN. It's a long association. I have at least some long association with the sir, and when he was secretary and NF, we did a lot of work together. And with NQOCN also, I really enjoyed working a lot. And quality, actually, I really want to work for the quality, being an NABH assessor also, and then associated with the NQOCN. It gives a lot of good inner feeling when you really work for the quality. So thank you so much for including me in the NQOCN and this workshop. And thank you, sir.
And one thing Dr. Mamta has not mentioned, she is a founding member of NQOCN and she was a founding secretary also.
Thank you.
So, and she is running one of the biggest and the first public sector hospital which is NABH accredited in Delhi, the famous Chacha Nehru Hospital. And it is associated with Maulana Azad Medical College, and Madam is head of office also there. So these are the other responsibilities that Dr. Mamta Jadoo has. And thank you so much for sparing time for this workshop, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
We have Dr. Shrija Vijayan. And Dr. Shrija, please come in, ma'am.
Good morning to all. I am Professor Shrija Vijayan. I am working as a HOD Child Health Nursing Department in Chitram College of Nursing. I started my QI journey around 2017 and get a sensitization round from PGI Chandigarh around 2015, but my actual journey begins with NQOCN, and I'm the national mentor for NQOCN and handhold the Damo SNCU for 1 year, and now we are mentoring in Rajasthan and faculty in many aspects. I am also neonatology fellowship. I have done my neonatology fellowship and editor in nursing journals. I'm a treasurer of Nursing Honor Society. Apart from that, I'm more likely to link with QI because QI give me insight, because now I am the academic counselor of IGNO for CHO, that is community health training officers, because it is upgrading the sub-center into the wellness level, and NQSN give me the insight how I have to train these people to work in a peripheral level. So that's all about me. That is what I want to say, that the QI is a core of myself, and I'm happy to be the part of NQSN. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Professor Shrija. It's a privilege to have you on board. Next, we have Achla. Achla, can you please come over?
Yes, sir. Good morning, everyone. I am audible, sir.
Yeah, please.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Achla. I am working as an officiating nursing superintendent in Kalavati Saran Children's Hospital, and I am having 27 years of experience, and my specialty is MSc Nursing. I have done in pediatrics, and I am associated with NQSN since 2016, and I am active member of NQSN. And the first workshop, which was held in 2016 in May, we have participated in that, and after that we have done the TOT and also as a training of trainers and coaching also in Lakshay, and also I have done the external quality assessors training on quality assurance standards, and also I am empaneled as an external quality assessor, and in Kayakalp and other Lakshay facilities also I am going as a assessor, and also I am participating as a facilitator in the Be the Change group, which is a quality improvement workshops for the undergraduate and medical nursing students of LHMC, and I'm also as a national QI coach for NQSN on on-site mentoring of SNCU Chhatarpur in the year 2018, and also as a NNG in the Osmania Hospital, Hyderabad, and I am also awarded as a National Florence Nightingale Award for the year 2019 by the Honorable President of India, and also awarded the Certificate of Outstanding Services and Contribution to improve the neonatal care on the World Prematurity Day by IFBP also. And I am also Daksh trained and also a national faculty for FBNC, and I am a coordinator of CNE cell, and I am also involved in many QI projects in our institute and with the nurses and other groups, and I am also trained in BPNI's IYCF training. And thank you very much, sir, for being associated with NQSN, and I hope that it has given a very good platform for the whole nursing fraternity. I will be very express my sincere gratitude to you, sir, for bringing us and giving us this kind of platform so that we can also do or initiate the quality improvement works in future also. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much, Achla ma'am. I would just like to add here that we are very proud, in fact, to have with us two Florence Nightingale awardees, Achla ma'am and Jeena Pradeep, you heard earlier. Both of them are Florence Nightingale award winners by the President of India. And they are the people who are responsible for spreading the word of quality improvement across nurses of India. Achla and Jeena both have together led to capacity building of more than 600 in-service nurses in Kalavati Saran Children's Hospital and Lady Hardinge Medical College in Government of India. So that's probably the largest pool of nurses trained in QI anywhere in the country. So thank you so much. We deeply acknowledge your support to this movement, ma'am. So next I have Arvinder ma'am. Yeah, Arvinder ma'am, please come over.
Yeah, good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. I'm very happy to be here with all the members, reunited, I should say. I am Arvinder Kaur from College of Nursing, Lady Hardinge Medical College. I recently retired from the services after my clinical experience of 20 years and 18 years of experience in College of Nursing. I am specialized in child health nursing, and during my service, I I have taken all the opportunities to learn and apply that knowledge in my clinical as well as in teaching area. So I have been trained, I have attended all the workshops, I have been trained in IYCF and NRP and many other things. And in 2016, I am associated with NQCN. Dr. Datta, you are a very true leader. I should say that we all got so enthusiastic to join NQCN and then be a part of it till now. I have been mentoring in UP and in MP Jabalpur, and it was a very good experience, and still I would like to continue with all this. And recently you have given me that opportunity. I have never been on digital platform, and now today I am in front of you. Thank you so much. And I have been given a good best bedside nurse gold medal in 1989. So I joined in 81 and 89. I received this medal, and that was I was quite junior at that time. So I would like to learn now also, and will continue to do the services. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am, for those kind words. We are really fortunate to have you with us. And thank you for joining, ma'am, and being associated with the cause of QI. I next have the Vice President of NQCN. She's joined. Right now, Dr. Suprabha next in line. Yeah, Dr. Suprabha, please. Can we have the video with Dr. Suprabha? Are you around? Okay, so till we have Rahul, can you just coordinate with Dr. Suprabha? I call
she has joined. She has joined.
Dr. Smriti.
No,
Dr. Smriti, please go ahead, ma'am.
So good morning, everybody. I'm so happy to be with all of you. And currently I'm working as professor with Haryana. I did my BSc nursing from AIMS and also MSc nursing in pediatrics from AIMS. And then I had 4 years of clinical experience in oncology department. And then I moved into the teaching profession. I had worked for a few years in Jamia Hamdard, and then I moved to Amity. So I was introduced to QI by Dr. Deorari early in 2016. And then I was pulled to NQCN by Gina. So Gina was our student at Jamia Hamdard, and also she is now pursuing PhD with us at Amity. And I'm so happy to be here amongst all of you. And why I joined QI, what I like about is because I want to contribute in some little manner in whatever way I can to the society. So I believe in this, the QI, the systems they are working, the way they work, and the principles. So that's why I'm here, and I hope you all will like it. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now we have the observer faculty. These are national faculties who are joining today as observer faculty. So I have the pleasure of inviting Janisha Jan, Dr. Janisha Jan. Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, all of you. I'm Dr. Janisha Jan, working as a consultant neonatology at Choitram Hospital, Indore. It's a teaching institute, and we have a 20-bedded tertiary and ICU, tertiary care and ICU. I've done my DNP in neonatology from Chennai recently, and I joined NQCN through Vikram Gupta sir last year. Thank you so much, sir, for introducing me to this platform. And I would say I'm a growing preterm as far as QI is concerned, but I see myself growing rapidly and with great interest, because I feel instead of doing experiments and interventions, what we are doing currently, if we improve on that, that will make our healthcare more safe, effective, and patient-centered. And I really feel privileged to be a part of this esteemed group. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much, Janisha. Thank you for joining from Indore. And we have Dr. Neelam Soni from District Hospital, Katni. Dr. Neelam Soni, please. So Rahul, can you just find out from Dr. Neelam Soni? Next, we have Dr. Pallavi. Dr. Pallavi from District Hospital, Jabalpur. They are observer faculty.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. I'm Dr. Pallavi Londe, pediatrician from and in charge SNCU, Elgin Hospital, Jabalpur. And I'm associated with NQCN since last 2 years, and I have completed few projects. And beside this, I'm also a national faculty, national mentor for FBNC training, and I've conducted many, almost 25 to 30 trainings in Jabalpur and other states. I've been mentoring many SNCUs, and I've been involved in initiation of starting of SNCUs in few districts of Madhya Pradesh. Thank you, sir, for having trusting on me. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Pallavi. It's been pleasure knowing you more than 10 years now.
Yes, sir.
And she manages the Jabalpur SNCU so well. It got the highest marks in the NQS
Yes,
standards, and they recently got certified also. So I think Pallavi is being modest by not telling that they got over 93 or 97%.
99, sir.
99% scoring on the NQAS scoring for the SNCU, which Pallavi is running. So lot of applause for you and your quality improvement methods into the SNCU at Jabalpur. People are invited to go and visit and look at Pallavi's great work. So thank you so much. So next we have Sushma. Sushma is our national coach from Katni District Hospital. Sushma, are you around? Can you just come over?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Good morning to all. मैं सुषमा डैनियल.
सुषमा तुम्हारा अगर फोन ऑन है तो उसको प्लीज ऑफ कर दो, डबल आ रही है आवाज क्योंकि या दैट शुड बी फाइन.
सुषमा डैनियल सर, कटनी से. मैं सिस्टर इंचार्ज की पोस्ट में एसएनसीयू में कार्यरत हूँ सर. यहाँ मुझे एसएनसीयू में 10 साल हो चुके हैं काम करते हुए, और मैं क्यूआई प्रोजेक्ट से 2018 में इंट्रोड्यूस हुई थी, और हमने 2 प्रोजेक्ट किए भी हैं, और मैं एक इंटरनल असेसर के रूप में भी काम कर रही हूँ सर, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट एमपी. थैंक यू.
And we are very proud to have Sushma around. She is directly, जैसा आप लोग देख सकते हैं, she is directly from the SNCU of Katni District Hospital. Sushma is a national coach and national mentor for NQCN, and they have done 2 very successful projects. One is birth asphyxia reduction, and there is another one which is there about neonatal sepsis. So yeah, so next we have Jalaj Bajaj. Jalaj Bajaj, Jalaj, can you just come over? They are observer faculties. Yeah, Jalaj Bajaj is a national coach and observer faculty for this course. Yeah, Jalaj.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. I am Dr. Jalaj Bajaj from SNCU MP. I joined SNCU in 2012, and my first training was taken by Vikram sir in 2012, FBNC training. Since then, I started SNCU Damo in 2013 as an in charge. At that time, I was working alone with help of one medical officer. Gradually, we settled down the SNCU, and with time, I was nominated for the trainer as a national trainer for FBNC. So I have taken some trainings, state trainings, and then gradually my work was shifted toward RBSK. So I am also a state trainer for RBSK. I am training mobile health teams RBSK. Then in 2018, our SNCU was selected in under aspirational districts. So NQCN program was started. So I joined NQCN in 2018. Then we have done 2 projects. Then sir gave us an opportunity to join as a mentor in NQCN, and we are learning a lot here, and just trying to improve quality in our SNCU and at district level in MP. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much, Jalaj, for joining here, and welcome to the course. We have Dr. Ravi Sachan. Ravi Sachan is a faculty. You've seen Ravi yesterday. So can we have Dr. Ravi, please? Ravi.
Yeah, so good morning, everyone. I'm Dr. Ravi Sachan, working as an associate professor at University College of Medical Science, GTB Hospital, Delhi. And presently, I'm also working as a secretary NNF Delhi. And I've been conferred as a fellow of National Neonatology Forum of India. And apart from that, I'm a national faculty and trainer for NNF NRP neonatal resuscitation program, IAP NNF NRP FGM program, FBNC and NSSK program, and KMC for national faculty for KMC also. And apart from that, I have been a national mentor and coach for the NQCN, and it is our privilege to be associated since very beginning with the NQCN. And I'm mentoring with the Delhi facility UP and MP also. And it is our privilege to have on this NQCN family. And my passion is to improve neonatal and perinatal healthcare in our country. Thank you, sir.
And Ravi just forgotten to tell you that he's got an original paper in Indian Pediatrics on quality improvement as well, which is cited on NQCN website also.
Thank you, sir.
So yeah. So thank you so much, Ravi. So we have Dr. Rashmi. Yeah, Dr. Rashmi, please go ahead.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, all. I'm Dr. Rashmi, additional professor in OBG, working in Government Medical College, Thrissur, with 20 years of work experience. I'm an alumnus of Government Medical College, Trivandrum, and postgraduate gold medalist from Government Medical College, Kozhikode. I have been associated with Lakshya Project and NQCN since 2018, after attending the TOT for the Lakshya training and meeting Dr. Vikram Datta and Dr. Sushil Srivastava there. And after becoming a member of the Royal College, that is MRCOG, it introduced me to audits, and which helped me and motivated me in becoming the state nodal officer for the maternal near miss audit, which we started in Kerala 2017 with all the encouragement from my professors. And I have been a national mentor of NMG for NQCN, implementing the Lakshya. I'm currently mentoring the Government Medical College Trivandrum, and also actively involved in the implementing the QI in Government Medical College Thrissur, where I am working. And I'm also a part of the Kerala State AIDS Control Society, and I'm a faculty resource person and a Kerala University Health Science resource person for the certificate courses, and scientific committee chair of the Thrissur ONG Society, and trainer of EMOCAL's Emergency Obstetric Care Training Program. And also associates, and I'm also a co-coordinator of the medical education unit in my institution and implementing the competency-based medical education. Being a part of NQCN and WOQUI has changed the way I see quality improvement, bringing changes and teamwork, and also the way I do problem solving. And I love being part of NQCN. Thank you so much, sir, for making me a part of it.
Thank you so much, Dr. Rashmi. Next we have Dr. Suprabha. Dr. Suprabha is around?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Suprabha, your video, please. Yeah, great.
Yeah. Good morning, everybody. It's a pleasure to be among all the dignitaries. And I'm Dr. Suprabha. I'm working as an assistant prof in neonatology at Bharati Vidyapeeth Medical College, Pune. And my association with quality improvement goes back to 2015 when I joined Hospital Sitaram Bhartiya Hospital at Delhi. From there, in 2015, from thereafter, we came in association with Dr. Datta, Dr. Sushil, and it's a privilege to be part of the esteemed group from the inception of NQCN. And till date, the journey has been really good. And I would say the whole idea of like NQCN, the mission also is like to spread the QI to the grassroots level. It's like a translation of the evidence-based medicine to the bedside practices, and whatever the challenges an individual faces or the system faces, our role is to overcome them and to do the translational part at the grassroots level, and to spread this nice simple methodology to each and every nook and corner of our country and beyond. So I'm really privileged to be part of this esteemed group which is striving towards this aim of spreading the QI to the grassroots level all over the country. Thank you very much.
And Suprabha is being modest by not telling that she's recently been elected as the vice president of the organization for the next 3 years. And we hope to see great leadership from her over 2020, 2023. So welcome to the family as the new vice president of NQCN.
Thank you, sir.
So, thank you so much, Suprabha. So we next have Dr. Rahul Garde. Dr. Rahul, please come over.
Yeah. Hello and good morning to everyone. And let me first thank all of you for being part of this new initiative by NQCN. I am Dr. Rahul Garde. I'm a public health professional and work as senior improvement advisor with NQCN. And I've been associated with NQCN since its inception. I've been working in the field of quality for about last 10 years or so in various capacity, from helping private sector institutes and hospitals and organizations in business process improvement to accreditation, and now to quality improvement across both public and private sector, various state NHMs and Ministry of Health. I'm also a national mentor with NQCN for Lakshya facility. And I hope all of us have a wonderful learning experience in these e-POCI workshops. Thank you very much. Over to you, sir.
Thank you so much. Do we have Dr. Neelam Soni? I think her mother-in-law is not keeping well. So
yes.
Is Dr. Neelam Soni around?
I think she has joined through another name.
Dr. Neelam Soni?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, everyone. Sir, myself, Dr. Neelam Soni. I have done TCH from Indore and working as a medical professor in medical doctor as an officer in Asensio District Hospital, Katni, near Jabalpur, and bear the responsibility of in chargeship since last 4 years. First of all, we would like to convey my hearty thanks to be a part of this education membership, since we introduced this kind of thing in last 3 years under the mentorship of Dr. Vikram Datta sir, and we have very great opportunity to do two project completion of 2 projects under the mentorship of Dr. Datta sir. First project is improvement of hypothermia, and second project was very good because it's done with the collaboration with gynae department as well. It's very challenging, but Dr. Datta says ki aap log start kare. It's very difficult, but it's very challenging. But we have started and we have completed with our maximum percentage of achievement, instead of normal achievement, more than achievement percentage, and still sustaining our goal. That's a very good thing for us. And NQCN is very nice concept. In fact, we can say, though we are working at a secondary, even you can say the tertiary level. So this QI concept and introduction is very fantastic, because these 2 levels, tertiary and secondary level, is very initial level of improvement. As you can see, basic improvement we can find out in these level, and still we are attaching with gynae department Lakshya through Lakshya program, and we are still looking forward for such kind of improvement with this integration project. So we felt very good, and convey my thanks, heartily thanks to all QA project as well as sir to be a member of this NQCN family. That's all, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Soni. Nice to see you here. We have Secretary NQCN and close friend, Dr. Sushil Srivastava, giving his brief. Sushil, please come in.
Okay. Good morning, everyone, and hello from Delhi. I am Dr. Sushil Srivastava. I did my MD Pediatrics from IMS BHU, Institute of Medical Sciences, Banaras Hindu University, and then I was working in government sector as a non-teaching specialist. I had the opportunity and I was lucky to start pediatrics and other services in some peripheral remote hospitals of Delhi. Then my friends coaxed me to join academics, and presently I'm working as Associate Professor Pediatrics at University College of Medical Sciences, and I'm looking after intramural nursery. I'm very humbled by the presence of such great champions and stalwarts here. And it's very humbling experience. From last 20 years in the public sector, I have realized that we have huge potential. There are very good people in public as well as private sectors, and Indian health industry needs a good system overall. And that's why we were tinkering or trying to do our bit with the health system. That attracted me to do my master in healthcare administration from Faculty of Management Studies, New Delhi. And later on, we discovered quality improvement, easy methodology, thanks to Vikram and his team. And we have tried to do our bit. It's very humbling, again I say, to find you all guys great champions. And I'm very lucky to have friends and champions like you in this group. And I'm pretty sure that Indian health system has got a bright future. I am an ever-long optimist. My hobbies are traveling, maybe sitting on a mountaintop on a Sunday morning, enjoying tea with my friends and discussing how to do the system change. That's my dream. Best of luck and enjoy your session here.
Thank you so much, Sushil. So with that, I will just tell 2 lines about me. I share the last part which Sushil said is my passion, and both of us often go to Badrinath ji, Kedarnath. We go on long drives into the hills, And last 2 drives have been pretty adventureful also, with some rock falls on our car, etc. But luckily we escaped. Maybe God wanted us to, continue with this quality improvement work. Well, I and Sushil have done our MD together from Banaras Hindu University in 1997. Subsequently, I moved into faculty position at Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Medical Sciences, and I had the privilege of working with Dr. Sushila Nair, who was a Union Health Minister, and she was the daughter of the Secretary of Mahatma Gandhi ji, and I got my roots into public health from Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Medical Sciences, working 4 years there as a lecturer, and then moving to Lady Hardinge Medical College, where I am currently the Director Professor of Neonatology. 2015 changed our lives. Well, that was the time when Dr. Rajesh Mehta called a summit where 11 countries from the Southeast Asia region were called to learn about quality improvement. I was fortunate to be a part of 6-7 member Indian delegation in that team. And that is where the roots of quality improvement took roots inside us. We went back to Galavati Saran Hospital, Harish, all our friends, Sushil. We thought, let's implement what we learned in the workshop, like what you're doing. And from there, the hypothermia project was born, which you saw yesterday as one of the BMJ publications. And then rest is history. All our like-minded friends whom you met today, they're all associates for 20, 30 years. We were working together. We all thought we should bring about a change in the country, get together, form a network, work with UN agencies and with the support of partners and leaders like Dr. Rajesh Mehta, Government of India, UNICEF, etc. This network was born, and now we are present across 15 states. Rest is history. We've crossed borders with this workshop, with people from Bangladesh also being around. The stories are up everywhere, but the stories are made by you. We are only channelizing the energy and getting all of you together. I'm very humbled if people say that I introduced them or Dr. Mehta introduced them to quality. I think it was divine grace, and God picked all of us to get together and bring about a change in this country. So thank you so much. With those words, I'm going to be ending this session here.